A person is telling, Ray, the people who are having more money, they are crazy like anything. So, do you know they are not good? They are having more money, but their mind is a bit narrow, narrow. Next up, there are some people, array, whatever required money, that thing is enough for me. If we are earning more, problems we are going to get. Okay, some health problem will come, or otherwise some enemies are going to create. Oh, a number of problems are coming. Yes, if we have more money, that's why I don't want to get more money. I want to be settled with this amount only, happy life only. This amount only, I want to do that. Next, there are some people. Okay, why this person is a crazy person? Waste. Why he is wasting the money like this? Like sometimes we may feel. Okay, sometimes we may feel. Why this person is very secure about the money? Even he won't go for 5 rupee chai also he won't take. What this bloody worst mentality this person having? Like, do you know, multiple mindsets of the people with respect to the money. We are always seeing day to day. Correct, right? Are you respond? Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Some people
Yes, sir.
before doing some expense, there are some people who are always going to think in 1 rupee, 100 paisa is there. Correct, right? 1 rupee means how many paisa?
100.
100 only, right? 100 paisa is there. 100 paisa is there. Do you know, everyone, there are some people who are always going to think 100 times to expense that 1 rupee. Have you saw such type of people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends. Have you saw such type of people? In your, then what about your feeling? Why this person is taking that much importance for the money? Why this person is giving that much importance for the money? Stupid person like we are always going to feel. There are some people are there. What these people are always going to do? Money. Okay, something like just like water, they are going to expense like anything. Just like water. How water we are going to use? Something like money is also going to use like that. Then automatically our feeling is something like, you know, why this person is doing this much? Dubara. Okay, this much. Why this person is doing like this? Okay, Array is not having any care about the money. Okay, like we are having. Have you observed, right? Different mindsets of the people we are seeing every day with respect to the money. In our session also, almost around 16 members are there currently. I'm sure 16 members having 16 opinions about the money. Different opinions about the money. If I ask a person, one person is going to tell, sir, I want to become very rich, sir, like. There is another person is going to tell, sir, whatever I require the money, that thing is enough for me. I don't want much. Okay, like that. There is another person is going to tell, boss, so luxuries, I'm missing more luxuries, just lack of money. I want to get more money, I want to do luxury kind of thing. There is another person is always going to feel, future is very important, I want to save the money. Okay, like that. Multiple people having multiple mindsets about the money. Yes, observe carefully. So the simple point here is, who is correct? You are correct, or opposite person is correct. You are always going to get frustration. You are always going to get irritation.